Special Court of the National Investigation Agency (NIA) has sentenced 7 accused, including the alleged mastermind and Lashkar-e-Taiba member T. Naseer, to 7 years of rigorous imprisonment in the 2023 Bengaluru prison's radicalization case. According to an official statement issued on Wednesday, the court also imposed a fine of 48,000 rupees on the convicted individuals. Along with Naseer, the other convicted accused include Syed Suhail Khan, Mohammed Umar, Zahid Tabrez, Syed Mudassir Pasha, Mohammed Faisal Rabbani and Salman Khan. The accused had earlier pleaded guilty to charges filed by the NIA in connection with a terror conspiracy linked to the Lashkar-e-Taiba, which was allegedly planned inside the Parappana Agrahara Central Prison in Bengaluru. The conspiracy was reportedly orchestrated by T. Naseer, investigators said. The plot involved identifying, recruiting, training, converting and radicalizing youth lodged inside the prison. The case was initially registered by the Bengaluru Central Crime Branch in July 2023 after the seizure of arms, ammunition and digital devices from habitual offenders. These individuals were allegedly planning terror attacks in Bengaluru for the Lashkar-e-Taiba. Later, the case was taken over by the NIA, which uncovered a larger conspiracy that included plans to help T. Naseer escape. At the time, Naseer was an under-trial prisoner in the year 2008 Bengaluru serial blast cases. The NIA subsequently filed a charge sheet against 11 arrested accused and 1 absconder identified as Junaid Ahmed. One of the accused, Salman Khan, was arrested after being extradited from Rwanda. Officials also confirmed that efforts are ongoing to trace and arrest the absconding accused, Junaid Ahmed.